Traders, I've been working on this indicator for months. This has been a long time and it's finally come to fruition. When that signal fires, wait for the next red signal here and then you will take that trade. Stop loss on the red shaded zone here. Target 3R, but you're going to close partial profits if you like, and you can follow it down until it runs into the cloud. Okay, it's a combination of these indicators. Here's the next signal here. Okay, that fires. Then you just come in and set an alert for the trend momentum sync, and you just take that next signal. You can also take that one as well. Nothing wrong with building your position. Okay, signal number 1, and then you just wait for those to go off. Stop loss, follow that shaded red zone there, and these dots. Going back, I think there were 22 or 23 out of 25, something like that. You've got the choice to actually go with the signal or wait for that, and that one probably would have caught you out. Okay, maybe that one lost. This one was okay, going on that next signal here to our target reach, and if the exit signal doesn't fire, just leave it to fate. It'll either take out the stop loss or hit your target. So this is really just an introduction. So there's your signal here. There's 2 of them, 1 and 2. Okay, take the next red signal. Take the next red signal. That is your exit. It's coming off this indicator here. So you will close there, or if you've set a 2R target, it would probably hit your target. It's up to you. I mean, you'll work it out. You could go 3R by default and just let a couple of them get taken out if you don't receive an exit signal. Next signal. I mean, which one of these trades would you not want? Okay, that fires. Come in on the next red and the next red signal. Start taking profit. You know, you could take partial profits if you want to and then just trail it. Nice outcome. Okay, look, I mean, going back, I can tell you now, 22 out of 25, something like that, worked out. Here they are. I'll just scroll back quickly. I'll be doing daily mentorship videos on this. Oh, that one got taken out there. But yeah, very, very high win rate and exceptional result. So this system has been many months in the making, and it's finally arrived at a point where it's really starting to come together. Now, here's the thing. While all of this has been in development, I've been offering our VIP with the 14-day trial for only $29.95 a month. Now that we've reached our goal and we've just launched this indicator, this is going up this coming Friday to $49.95. So you've got a few days to jump on board, take up the trial, and see how this can make an incredible difference in your life. I have many years of trading behind me. I have a lot to offer. I do daily mentorship videos. This is incredible value, and it's here for you if you recognize the opportunity. So with that, have a great day. I mean, look at these signals. All right, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.